You know, so, but this time now I gotta send him his verse because I promised him his verse. And that's just how it's, you know. Oh, but no, Blamdem, he said that Marshall Montano, who actually was out there with me and Gang last time, I was with, like, on the same truck with him. He said that somebody told him that Marshall Montano said, tell Nicki and Trinidad Killer to stop fighting him down. But I didn't hear Marshall say it, so I don't know if maybe Marshall was joking. But until I hear that Marshall said it, I'm not going to, you know, say anything about it because it'd be so many rumors on the internet. You can't believe everything. And I wouldn't want somebody to believe something about me until, you know, they confirm it. So that's that. Yeah. But I really do love Bungie Garland's song right now. And that's why I posted it yesterday. I didn't post it for no other reason. Carry It by Bungie Garland is just a song that makes me feel proud to be from Trinidad. It's just a great song, and I don't know what's the big deal, but I just love music. I'm a fan of music, and I'm going to support whatever. I'm going to support whatever music I want to at any time I want to. So, you know, and God bless all the musicians out there that's upcoming. Keep on believing in yourself and keep on having fun. You know, like it shouldn't feel like work. It should feel like something that you were born to do, and you should be able to rock with whoever you want musically. You know, it's not a big deal. Yeah. But that's all. That's all I wanted to say. Oh, and listen, so today the top 10, the people that already won, your gifts are going to be sent out within 7 days of this live. And then the people that are the top 10 gifters on this live, I'm going to try something different. I'm going to send them an audio drop of whatever script they send to my email once I message them on TikTok. So that should be fun. So whoever wants me to say something with their name in it or something like that, you can send me a script. And I'm going to try. I'm going to do it. But yeah, big up everybody. Is Rose on, Blamdem?
Yeah, man. He just called me earlier and he said, you have to delete some of my request them, because I can't add you. Delete some of my request them.
Okay.
Yeah, man, we had fun, man.
People were saying that Skang was in my house. That Blamdem was in my house. That studio, I was in another studio, you guys. That wasn't my house studio.
I saw them love chat, man. I saw them think, and I said I hate the drunk credit. I say every day, I say me have to diss up on the critique, you know, man. I saw them turn and think I'm bad, man. I like it's nothing good. That's why I tell them about them that every day me get a chance. Me no watch them when they talk, you know. Me no look on them. I don't care about them. Cause me no share my ambition. Me no class, so I let mine think they can't say things to hurt me. Me no class, so I'm not gonna to no mama leave me alone. Dirty drunk. When no want to see me, when no want to see me though. And if you left me alone, man, dog. When if you go work, all one them kin girl me say they go work, they come follow me up. When go to work. The bomb do no man, when you left me alone, man. When you thinking drunk, you know. Me can't go in a one look intro. I saw everything when I fight against me, so. Well, yeah, not stay.
Well, I was seeing a lot of people saying good stuff.
I want them to say bad me attack. But me say me like the bad people them first, you know. Me like cussy people them say bad first.
Okay,
cuss them again. Out of much 1,000 people, I 1 and 2 they say bad. So that's how I deal with them. Most people say good, them like it. They're drunker them, man.
Cuss them like again.
It cuss them till me tired right now. Me look how me go live, me need them. Okay. Sometimes me tired of them, you know, the crosses them. Sometimes me tired of them, man.
You look so refined though, bro.
Then I see it, man.
Yeah, you glow, like you look so refined. Your little part of your skin when we see just look refined, you know?
Yeah, no, you got man, I say me a nice youth, you know. The girl them love me, you know. Girl them I say, you're cute. I for Blamdem the cute. That's the girl them I say.
Me know, enough of them I text me too. I say if me can put them on.
Tell them to
No, no, no,
Blamdem.
no, no.
What's that?
No,
Put the
No,
Gold
no,
application.
digger,
no. No, no,
gold
no.
digger.
No, no, no.
You know how we have
Yes,
to.
Nicki?
You know how we have to interview. You know how we have to do the interviews for anybody that's getting to the president.
Yes, but me
Because,
not put come on Nicki cause me no want none of them come set up my brother. Them me no
but
have
that's what
time for
I'm
that.
saying. God forbid, and that's what I'm saying. Tell them Nikki and Gold Digger have to set up the ting them,
Okay.
and then we will tell him if it's okay, because we don't want I feel hurt nobody. We don't
Exactly.
want I feel get dark now there's blood clots.
Yes,
See?
I like
Yeah.
that,
All right.
Nicki. So we do a background check and you interview them, me and you. All right, we are gonna do that. We'll do that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that sound more legit.
You know, because he does. Okay. So I can't get Rose. So y'all, I'm gonna jump off then because, like I said, I have some work to do. I want to rearrange a couple things in this verse for my Eskimo verse. If you haven't seen or heard the song, it's on YouTube. It's on the streaming services as well. But there's a video. It's a video with just Trinidad Killer in it right now, and the video is basically talks about, you know, the a lot of us have like a story of our parents having to leave where we were born and having to create a better life for us, like in the States, and then send for us. So that's what the video's message is about. And anybody that's ever had to experience that, like I had to experience that, really the parent and the child side, I'm sure. So so shout out to Trinidad Killer for making a song that really resonated with a lot of people. I never heard nobody really talk, like sing a song about missing Trinidad and being in the cold and the snow and stuff like that. But we've all experienced it when we've come from a different country where you just want to feel like you at home. And sometimes it can, even, I didn't even realize, like, when you born on an island, because it's sunny and it's like when you go to somewhere else that's, that isn't sunny for only about 2 months, it's depressing.
Feel weird. Yeah.
It'd be like, yo, what the? Because in Trinidad, people be waking up by 6 in the morning. Everybody's woke up. It's music blasting. It's, cooking and all that stuff going on. So it's different when you come to the States. It's a very different feeling. But we still appreciate that we got the opportunity to be in another country to do what we needed to do. So, yeah. That's about it, guys. I will see. I'm gonna take a screenshot of the top 10 gifters on here, and I'll message you. And my other top 10 gifters from last week, I will be sending your stuff out this week within a week of today. And like I said earlier, rest in peace to Busshead. Yeah, rest in peace, and sending his family, his friends, and his fans my deepest condolences and love and strength and peace. And that's real. So, guys, everybody that's on here with me, thank you. Everybody that came to support it, thank you. I love you. And yes, I am working. Barbs, I'm working. I'm still on my hiatus, technically, but I am working. And that's all you need to know. I love you very much. I love that you guys keep my name alive. I love that you guys keep our family alive. And like I said, is this page of Barb that posted something today that really, really resonated with me. And I'm going to repost it on here when I come off of here, because when I tell you, this is like one of the realest things, that I saw a Barb say. And it's the truth. So I'm gonna post that, and you guys, everybody's on here, have a blessed day. and Trinidad Killer, Gold Digger, Blamdem. I will talk to y'all soon, and thank you for coming on here. And to Rose. Oh, you know what? TikTok. Is it TikTok boss Blamdem that had the thank you, Remy, share, Cherie. Blamdem.
Yeah.
Who is the person that's TikTok boss, right? That I gave you, Rosalie, and him the contest to see who could stop cursing each other
Yeah,
out.
man.
Yeah.
That was TikTok boss.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me
So
go
I
live
think I
later on
gotta
with
give
them,
him a
so.
prize because I think that he has been the nicest one out of you, him, and Rose.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Me I go
All
live
right,
with him.
guys.
So I must
All right,
share it.
so I'm playing Killer,
Blessings.
Carry It. I love Patrice. Blessings. I love that song. Yeah, that's about it. This my the girls them. All right, guys.
Yeah, see,
Let's
man.
One Barbs. Big up. Love you, Barbs. Thank
Love
you
in the
for
house.
having us.
Thanks,
love you. Love you.